Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste your TDA into the LinkIt program. The first thing you want to do is log into your ClassLink account. You're then going to click on the LinkIt program. That will pop open. Here you'll see your dashboard. You might have different tests on here, and you'll be able to see your classes under here. You see Literacy Connections is my class. Your teacher is me, Antoinette Mueller. And to open this, you're going to click on Launch. The first thing you want to do is click Agree. This means you are not plagiarizing. And then this will take you to the test. You'll see here that you actually will not be completing the TDA in LinkIt, just copying and pasting what you did on the Word document. So you want to go back to the Word document. You want to do your Word document here for the TDA. Once this graphic organizer is complete, you're going to copy and paste it. To copy and paste your graphic organizer, you'll see this button here. And if you don't see it, this little button, sometimes it goes away, you can just kind of hover over your table, and once you click it, it highlights it automatically. So then you're going to click right-click copy, go back to LinkIt, and usually you can click right-click paste. If that's not working, you can always do Control, Alt, and V together. I'm sorry, Control, Shift, and V, and that should be able to copy and paste. Okay, hopefully this tutorial helped you. Remember to copy, right-click copy, or Control-Shift-C, and then back to LinkIt, right in the text here, Control-Shift-V. All right, let me know if you have any problems. Once you're done, you're just going to go ahead and just click on this little arrow at the bottom. Let me show this to you. I don't know why it's not showing up. But if you just click on this arrow, this is how you save and submit your response. All right, please let me know in an email or just in a chat through class if you have any problems. Remember, you get extra bonus points completing this in LinkIt. Thanks, guys.